Please to call the correctional center.
The defendant is here in correctional center.
Okay. Okay, the first defendant is in court, while the second defendant is at the correctional center.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, let him have a seat. Give the first defendant a seat as well. Representation, please.
Respectfully, my lord, my name is Bamara, and my humble appearance is
Yes. Be shy. Bishop is there. He should on his video. Yes. I can't hear you, Bishop. Representation. Bishop, I can see your name on the screen. Yes. You are not visible. Yes.
My lord, the matter for commencement of hearing.
Yes.
My lord, may I apply for the court to Abba Zakaria, my lord? The arresting officer is here with us, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
My lord, I request for the registry of the witness, my lord, before we proceed.
Mustafa or Ndahi, you need to be with the prosecuting counsel.
My lord, the witness is Abba Zakaria. Here with us, my lord. Abba Zakaria, can you indicate so that we'll identify you? Just the grace of your heart.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. Abba Zakaria, where are you joining this proceedings?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Defense Counsel, can you hear him? Usman, what is happening? Where is the Defense Counsel? Frustrating. Shaiba, are you still there?
Hello.
Prosecuting Counsel.
My lord, we
Your defendant, I mean the witness, is joining us from where?
yes, my lord. The witness is joining us from so far he's within the jurisdiction. So he wanted to go because I think virtual position.
Because I am seeing different people on the screen.
Yes, my lord, he's one on the screen.
My screen is divided into two. So I can't see all of you at the same time. That's why I keep asking. And Aibu, you should be visible. I only see your name, but I don't see your face.
Mr. Abba Zakaria, you will be affirmed.
Okay. Hello. W1 is but first let me affirm myself. I understand that you don't come to God present. English Hausa, vice versa. So please, I'm going to affirm you.
Okay.
Whatever I do, I mention
Hi.
your name, please.
Abba Zakaria.
Duly affirm to state that
Duly affirm to state that
the evidence I shall give, the evidence I shall give. Repeat after me, please.
okay.
The evidence I shall give in this case.
Mr. Zakaria, can you hear him?
I can hear you well.
Okay, the evidence I shall give in this case.
The evidence I shall give you today.
In this court, shall be the truth.
I will speak the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
I'm nothing but the truth. So help me God.
That's my Lord. PW is adult and young.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you very much. Once again, tell this honorable. Mr. Abba, can you hear me?
Who just joined us? Mr. Abba Zakaria,
Yes, my lord.
can you hear what we are saying here?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Abba Zakaria, what do you do for a living?
Usman, get in touch with Fatai. There are so many distractions. He should mute everybody. And allow the, I don't know who joined and is disturbing proceedings. Yes, prosecuting counsel, please continue.
What do you do for a living?
I'm NDA operative.
For how long have you been working with?
I've been working with for almost 2 years.
Having been working for this period, I believe you are professional in your work.
For 2 years.
Please have a good look at defendant standing trial before this Mr. Bishop, where is your client?
Your question again, counsel?
Bishop, I'm asking my learned friend, where is so that I can ask my witness on whether it is right.
Counsel, you are not very audible.
My lord, can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you.
Your question again.
I said, Mr. Bishop is his client at the correction center, or is him, so that I can ask my witness, my client, my lord, the defendant in this case.
Mr. Bishop, did you hear the submission of prosecuting counsel?
No, my lord, I didn't hear him.
I was asking where is your client?
My client is in the courtroom.
Okay.
He was at the courtroom.
Counsel, the first defendant is right here in the court, while the second defendant is at the correctional center.
No, sorry, my honorable lord. This case is we have only one defendant, Ibrahim Yakubu.
Ibrahim Yakubu, yes.
Just a minute.
He's alone.
It seems there's a mix.
Very well, madam.
Ibrahim Yakubu.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
he is in court.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes. It seems the Mr. Shaibu, you didn't hear the name of the case being called.
My lord.
The name of the case that has been called.
Okay, which
It's
I
Mohammed
think it's Ibrahim Yakubu as they call.
No, it's Mohammed
Mohammed Al-Hassan. Sorry, my lord. Okay, my lord.
Mohammed, my lord, give me.
Mohammed Al-Hassan, yes.
Prosecuting counsel, I didn't hear your submission.
This is not the witness I called for.
Okay, the witness you have presently is for which case?
It's for Ibrahim Yakub.
For Ibrahim Yakubu.
Yes, my lord.
Can you hear me better now?
My lord, I can hear you.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, are we proceeding with Ibrahim Yakub?
Yes, let's continue with Ibrahim Yakubu.
Thank you very much, my lord. Mr. Abba, take a good look at the camera of the Federal High Court and tell the Supreme Court whether you know the defendant.
Usman, they need to see the defendant. Where's your laptop? They need to see the defendant. The cases are serially arranged. So the mistake is from the person that called the case. So I apologize on her behalf. Instead of the list, check on the last case. Can you see the defendant?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, tell this honorable court whether you know him.
Yes, my lord, I know him very well.
Okay,
please
so
tell this honorable court on what circumstances do you get to know the defendant?
My lord,
bearing in mind,
Ibrahim Yakubu.
yes, you whatever you say, you wait for to write before you proceed.
Yes, Mr. Abba.
Your phone is on mute.
Mr. Abba, are you still with us?
Correctional Center, please mute your gadgets.
Mr. Abba, are you still there?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, okay, continue then.
My lord, I know the defendant very well, Ibrahim Yakubu.
Yes.
Who was resident in Nguru, local government, Yobe State.
Who was
a resident living at Nguru, local government, Yobe State.
Okay. Yes, continue.
So I'm the one who arrested Ibrahim Yakubu with my team on 8 May 2022.
Yes.
We arrested him on 8 May 2022 at about 7 p.m. That is immediately after Isha prayer.
Can you go on, please?
Yes, I with my team monitor his movement that day Immediately after Isha prayer, as he entered his house, we stormed the house, where we arrested him in his room.
Yes.
So we arrested him with some exhibit. That is, we arrested him with cannabis sativa, tramadol, Exol, and D5.
Can you go on? We have so many cases for today.
Okay. Immediately after we arrested him, we took him to our area command, our office that is in Unguru. In the office, we take his statement there. Where the defendant claimed ownership of the exhibit that we found in his room. So it was on 9 May. We take him to the headquarters, Damaturu. Along with his exhibit. Where the exhibit officer of the headquarters weighed the exhibit as follows. Cannabis sativa, 1.5 block, which was weighed 1.2 kilogram. And the tramadol was weighed 236.9 gram. Well, the Exol was also weighed 386.5 gram, and the D5 was 800 gram.
The Exol was?
The Exol was 386.9 gram.
Okay.
Well, the D5 was weighed 800 gram. All this was happening in the presence of the defendant, I, myself, and other officers. The exhibit forms was signed by the defendant, I, myself, and other officers. The exhibit officer takes some samples of the exhibit for forensic analysis. That is forensic test.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abba. That's all you have, and nothing to tell this honorable court.
That is all.
My lord, that's all for examination in chief.
The defense counsel, I see there. Shaibu, B. Shaibu. B. Shaibu, are you still there? B. Shaibu, can somebody call him?
His phone is on silent, my lord. It's on mute.
I mean, why? B. Shaibu. B. Shaibu is still there? Is he still on mute? Because I can't see him. Is B. Shaibu there? Seems this virtual it's giving so many people challenges. I don't know why. The network is excellent, so I don't know where the problem is.
Yes, my lord. The good thing is, my lord, we are still learning, my lord. With time, I believe everything will be smooth, my lord, as expected, my lord.
Yes. Because it's
Yeah.
B. Shaibu, you have not yet joined us. I can see why. B. Shaibu, can you hear me?
I think he's connected.
I can see him there, but he has disappeared again.
Okay, he's back.
Then why is he so silent? Is he still on mute? Can somebody call him, because we can barely hear him? Let him just keep his gadget down. He should stop fidgeting with it.
My lord, I'm waiting now.
Still, your phone is too, if you're using a phone, I don't know which gadget you're using, because I can barely hear you. Have a seat.
my lord.
Yes, B. Shaibu.
Yes, my lord.
Did you hear during cross examination in chief?
I am ready for the cross-examination, my lord. But
yes, then go ahead.
Thank you, my lord.
Why did you disappear in the first place?
Yes, my lord, based on the information. Yes, Abba Zakaria. Abba Zakaria.
Yes, we shall.
Yes. Oh, how long you have been working with the NDLA?
You say?
For how long you are working with the NDLA?
For almost good 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
It is true that defendant for a long time before 8th day of May 2022.
You say?
You know the defendant before the 8th day of May 2022.
Yes.
So you are good friends. You are friendship to the defendant. Abba.
Hello.
You are a friend to the defendant.
No.
So what is your relationship with him that you say that you know him before?
My job is to work against those who were in drug business.
Yes, agree. What?
Just a minute, counsel. I need to record. You are not having a casual conversation. You see, your job is to what?
Is to work against the drug dealers and the drug barons.
Yes.
Yes. What is your relationship with the defendant? Having that you know him before the 8th day of May 2022, as you said.
I have no any relation with the defendant, otherwise to work against him in order to arrest him.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Specifically, where did you say that the defendant is living?
You say?
Specifically, where the defendant is living?
The defendant is living in Nguru.
Yes, I agree. I hear that. But specifically, because Nguru is a big town.
He is living at Nguru at Hausari, Sabon Pegi.
The place where you arrested the defendant. You agree?
We arrested the defendant in his house.
My question to you is that the house that you arrested the defendant is not belong to you.
But it's where he is living. We arrested him in the place where he is living.
That might proceed, madam.
Of course, go ahead. We're waiting for you.
Yes, madam. Yes, that place, that house, there is so many people that are living in that house. Not only defendant that is living there. There is so many people that are living in that house, not only the defendant alone living there.
That place we arrested him, he is the one that is living there.
Are you saying he is alone in that house?
She is not alone that is living there, but the place we arrested him, that place was demarcated only by him and he's living there.
Shaibu, are you still there?
Yes, my lord. I'm with you, my lord. Yes, my lord. I'm telling my lord. Yes, this psychotropic substance. You say it has been weighed in your presence.
Yes.
Yes. How many kilograms of the psychotropic substance that weighed in your presence?
Counsel, are you sure you were around during examination in chief?
Yes, my lord.
Because he cited all these things you are asking. Cannabis sativa, 1.5 block, 1 point. Anyway.
Yes, my lord.
Go on. Go on.
Yes, thank you, my lord. The psychotropic substance, how many kilograms?
The psychotropic substance, we have tramadol, which was weighed 236.9 grams.
My question to you is that in total of all the tramadol, exol, D5, what are the how many kilograms that have been weighed?
My lord, I object to this question, my lord.
Oh,
Counsel,
My lord, I object to this question.
sustained.
thank you, my lord. Yes, tell us.
The objection has been sustained. You cannot ask him to lump everything together, counsel. Anyway, let me not interfere. Yes.
Yes, if you don't like you can answer all that you don't know. Total of the psychotropic substance of the psychotropic substance.
My lord, I'm still objecting, my lord. My witness have already stated each and individual way of the exhibit found in position of the defendant, which is the client of the suspect. If you want to know the total sum of, my lord, he can, in his address, my lord, calculate and address the court. But he cannot ask a witness who is not a mathematician, my lord, by qualification, my lord, to sum up all the weighing of the exhibit officer, my lord, to answer him. And my lord, he is not even the exhibit officer in this case, my lord. He was saying what he has witnessed and he arrested the defendant, and that's all. My lord, cross-examination must be reasonable, my lord. This is the provision of the Evidence Act, my lord. I see no reasonability in this question, my lord.
Now, yes.
My lord, my cross-examination is line, my lord. And this is cross-examination. We can ask him what.
Counsel, please don't waste our time with all this. What you know yourself, what the prosecuting counsel has said is true.
So
And Counsel, I can't hear you.
I was overruled, my lord.
Yes.
Okay.
Unless if you have a better argument.
Hello?
I said, unless if you have a better argument, if you can cite any law.
In the sense that, my lord, this is cross-examination, my lord. You can ask him anything that we think that is proper, and we believe this question is very much relevant, my lord. Maybe that he made his specification that I am now asking collectively as something that he said that he was deep in his presence. He witnessed it, my lord. He's in the better position to know what he was praying, what he witnessed, my lord.
Then ask him in such a way that ask the question again.
Yes, my lord. My question to him is that what collectively
Mr. Abba, did you get his question?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, this is where I'm coming up in, my lord. What, my lord, we have decisions, my lord, this plethora of decisions, my lord, of the Supreme Court. One of the most notable, my lord, which I'll be supplying, my lord, by Justice, which was delivered by Justice Nikki Toby, my lord, where some lawyers argue that in cross-examination, my lord, sky is your limit. My lord, Justice Nikki Toby has this to say, and I quote, sky has nothing to do with cross-examination. Questions in cross-examination must be reasonable. My lord, my learned friend is asking my client a mathematical question, my lord, an arithmetic question to make an addition, my lord, of a total sum of something which has been weighed, my lord, in different numbers, my lord. That answer, my lord, is only an expert, my lord, or someone who has studied mathematics, or someone who is in possession of a calculator, my lord. My lord, I can put to my learned friend, he cannot answer this question that he's asking, my lord. These questions are not reasonable, my lord. As far as I am concerned, my lord. My lord, I object to this question.
This honorable court ruling.
Let's go, please.
This honorable court, having listened to the submissions, arguments of both learned counsel, hereby overrules the question being asked, the submission of learned defense counsel.
Let's go, please.
Any examination?
My lord, we have no examination, my lord, and that's what the DW1 in this case.
Yes.
My lord, we apply for the witness to be discharged, my lord, from the virtual sitting, my lord, and from the witness.
Application granted.
Let's go, please. My lord,
thank you so much.
My lord, that's all we have for today. My lord, we are out for a date.
Register of court, give us a date. How many cases do we have on that 16th May? We have 6 cases. Then what other date? What is 18th May? What day is that? Thursday. Thursday. Okay. Council, is 18th May convenient? Prosecuting and Defense Counsel.
18 May is convenient, my
lord. It's not convenient.
What date? Propose a date then.
Yes, my lord, because I'm appearing before you on 15 and 17, my lord.
On the?
I will appear before you on 16 and 17, my lord.
16th and 17th?
Yes, my lord.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 16th day of May, 2023. The defendants who are on bail are to continue to enjoy the bail till the next adjourned date. Call the next case. And follow serially, don't make that mistake again. So annoying. Quickly, please. Usman Gerber.
Madam, I'm sorry, madam. What's the name of this case, madam?
Usman Gerber.
Usman Garba. Okay, you do help.
Prosecuting counsel. Prosecuting counsel. Is the prosecuting counsel there? Somebody should call the prosecuting counsel on phone and tell him he should not, because he's not seen on the screen. Don't know what is happening today. I think if they continue at this stage, I will abort these proceedings. Prosecuting counsel.
My lord, sorry. My lord, respectfully, my lord, I am Usman Bamala, my humble appearance.
Why did you disappear from the screen? The
My lord,
matter has been called.
My lord, a call just came up. I have to put my phone on. I have to dial my to reject other calls from coming in from my phone, my lord. I'm using my phone. Sorry, my lord. I apologize.
Yes, representation. Can you see the defendant?
Yes, my lord, I can see him.
I'm asking both of you.
Yes, so my lord, I have not seen him. I have not seen the defendant.
The defendant, you have not seen him up to now?
Yes, my lord.
How come let him call his name? Maybe he doesn't know who. You can't see him up to now?
Daga hannunka sai kai na Usman Garba.
Ina Usman Garba.
Defense counsel, is it visible now? Because your whatever is on mute. You just muted.
My lord, I see.
B. Shaibu, I can't hear you. B. Shaibu.
Yes, my lord.
The defendant just raised his hand up. Did you see him?
Yes, my lord. Yes, I see him. I saw him. I saw him.
So representation, I'm waiting for you to announce yourself.
Okay, so with respect, my lord, and humility and being sharing, appearing for the defendant.
My lord, the matter is fixed today for continuation of hearing. And we are ready to proceed subject to the convenience of my lord and my lord.
Yes.
My lord, our witness of the day is Mr. Idumak, my lord. He is with us, my lord. We apply, my lord, for him to form part of the witness box so that he can give his testimony, my lord. Mr. Idumak, are you with us?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, I can't see you.
I'm with you.
Okay, I can.
Can you hear? Are you hearing me now? Can you hear me?
Mr. Ido, I can't see you. Maybe you pause your video, maybe. Maybe it's, I don't know whether I'm the only one who cannot see you.
Can you hear me?
You, it's only the audio.
Yes.
Can you hear me, sir? But I can
we
see
can
you.
only hear you audio, but we can't see you. Just tap on your phone, you'll see an indication of stop video, and it's just a symbol of video camera. Just tap your fingerprint on it. Maybe it will be. Yeah, well, now we can see you very well. Good.
Thank you, sir.
The defense counsel, can you see him?
No, my lord, I'm not seeing him.
Are you sure? He just raised his hands up.
No, my lord, I really see.
I can see the defense counsel.
I see him.
You still can't see him. We all can see him.
I saw him, my lord.
Okay.
Saw him.
So yes, go ahead. Go on.
My lord, I apply that he should be affirmed, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. PW2 is in the witness box and is ready to be affirmed. Please repeat after me.
Okay.
I
Iduma,
duly affirm to state that
duly affirm to state that
the evidence I shall give
the evidence as I give
in this court,
in this court,
in this case,
in this case,
shall be the truth
shall be the truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Yes, my lord. PW2 has been affirmed. He is male, adult, and a Christian.
Thank you very much, Mr. Iduma. Please tell this honorable court your name again. Once again.
My name is Iduma.
Mr. Iduma, what do you do for a living?
I'm a public servant. I work
Serving with?
with the National Enforcement Agency.
Wait a minute. The defense counsel, can you hear him?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Having been working with this agency, how long have you been working with the agency? Sorry.
I have been working with the agency for 12 years now.
What rank did you attend so far?
I am a superintendent of narcotics.
As a superintendent of narcotics, I believe you are a very senior officer and professional in whatever you do.
Very well, sir.
Please tell this honorable court whether you know the defendant. Have a good look at the defendant, please, on the screen.
Let him see this defendant quickly.
Thank you.
Raise his hand.
Have a good look at the defendant and tell this honorable court whether you know him.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Now, tell this honorable court, what do you know about the defendant in respect of this case? Bearing in mind, the defendant is recording the court is recording whatever you are saying. Make sure whatever you say, you allow the court to record whatever every sentence of your pronouns. pronouncement. Then you proceed. You wait for the court to write, then you this is how we go bit by bit until you come to an end. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord. It was
On the
20th October of the year 2020 at about 22.
You can't hear him, defense counsel.
Yes, I'm not hearing him, my lord.
Maybe the gadget you're using is too far, or you need to increase the volume.
Okay, my lord.
Even for Mr. Mark, you do.
Mr. Idumak, you are using two gadgets. I think that's the reason why you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I think we can hear you a little bit clearer.
Bishop, can you hear him?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Can I hear you, sir?
Yes.
Yes, continue.
On the day of the year 2020, at about 6 hours, I witnessed the arrest.
My lord, I'm not hearing him.
Okay, he said by 22:30 hours, he witnessed the arrest. I think you're not so audible to the defense counsel. He said he can barely hear you.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Bishop, can you hear him? He's asking you.
Mashin din guri ke shi yana can. Abun
yana. Can you hear him?
Can you hear me, sir?
See how they apply it and see what they produce, what they do with it. So far,
very sharp. Very sharp.
Man, call somebody, let them, some people they should be muted. Yeah. I do not know who they are.
Me, sir.
They're devoting it.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Mr. Shaibu, can you hear him?
Yes, my lord.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm hearing you, my lord, but let me just so that I can hear you. Because it's mute now.
Yes, continue, Mr. Idu,
Okay.
Mark.
Okay. On that day, he was arrested in his apartment located at Old Army Barracks, Potiskum. By the officer in charge of operation, in person of Usman Ibrahim. With the
Arrested by Usman Ibrahim with what?
With the assistance of other officers.
Yes.
During his arrest, some bags, white sacks containing some blocks of suspected cannabis sativa were recovered from his storeroom.
We recovered from
His storeroom located inside his apartment.
Yes, continue.
In the presence of Usman Garba and his wife. In the presence of Usman Garba, his wife, and other officers.
Yes.
Mr. Usman Garba, together with the recovered exhibit, were taken to NDLEA Fortiskum office. Where the blocks of suspected cannabis sativa were counted and weighed. Where the blocks of suspected cannabis sativa were counted and weighed in the presence of Mr. Usman Garba and other officers.
Defense counsel, can you hear him? Defense counsel. Okay, you are muted. I can't hear you. Can you unmute yourself?
Lord.
Okay.
I'm hearing.
Okay, no problem then. Okay.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Idu.
Okay. The total number of blocks of cannabis was found to be 320. That was recovered from his house. While the total weight of the exhibit was 291.4 kilograms.
Correctional Center, please, can you mute yourself?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, my Lord. Yes, continue.
The suspect, Mr. Usman Garba, together with his exhibit, were subsequently
Yes, continue.
transferred to the State Command headquarters. Where the central exhibit keeper in person of Mr. David Bagudu further carried out counting, testing, and weighing the exhibit.
Further carried out
Counting, weighing, and testing of the exhibit.
Yes.
The result of the test proved positive for
Yes.
while the weight still stood at 291.4 kilograms. All was done in the presence of the suspect, the arresting officer, and myself, the witnessing officer.
Yes.
All relevant exhibit forms were filled. And printed by Mr. Usman Garba.
Yes, we have so many. Yes.
While the arresting and witnessing officers also appended their signatures in their respective columns. Appended their signatures in their respective columns.
Yes.
Mr. Usman Garba was interrogated. during which his statement was recorded in writing.
We have other cases. Please, can you move on?
Yes. Furthermore, a part of the exhibit was packed and sealed in an evidence pouch. A part of the exhibit was packed and sealed in an evidence pouch. And was also signed and thumbprinted by Mr. Usman Garba. The case was thereafter assigned for investigation. This is what I have so far, sir, my lord.
My lord, that's all for the examination in chief.
Defense counsel, any cross-examination? Defense counsel. You are muted. I can't hear.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, there is some cross-examination, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Mark. Are you hearing me?
Very well, sir.
Yes, thank you. It was in the midnight that you raided the house of the defendant, yes or no?
It was at about 22:30 hours. 22:30 hours.
30 hours. That is, it was night.
It was night.
Yeah, yes. Do you know the defendant before that day that we went to his house?
No.
Yes, these sacks of society be cannabis sativa is only recovered in the house where the defendant is living. Did you hear me?
Please
I
come
said,
again.
okay, these sacks that you mentioned is only recovered where the defendant is residing.
Yeah, the sacks were recovered where the suspect was residing.
Is residing, yes. Do you know the owner of the house?
I know the person who is occupying where the exhibit was recovered.
My question to you, do you know the owner of the house?
I don't know the person who owns the house.
Thank you. Yes, during the interrogation, as you made mention, did you invited any relative to the defendant during the interrogations that you mentioned?
Okay.
I'm not hearing you well. I'm not hearing you.
The audio is very poor.
Can you hear me?
No.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. During the statement taken in the office, Mr. Usman Ibrahim, who was the OC that led the operation, invited someone from the town. I don't know their relations by myself, to witness the statement taken. And during the interrogation, Mr. Usman Garba stated that he bought 400 blocks of cannabis. And before we came, he had already sold 80 blocks,
My
120 blocks.
My question to you is that, did you invited any relative of the defendant when you are conducting or you are doing your interrogation? This is my question.
The office invited somebody.
Okay. Who is he to the defendant?
I cannot remember. This is a case of 2020.
But remember, you said that he is with his wife. Why did you not call his wife during the interrogation?
It was night.
I'm not hearing.
At that late hours of the night.
I am not hearing you.
Okay.
I'm not
Can you hear
hearing
me
you.
now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, very well.
He was arrested at about 22:30 hours, which means
Yes.
he was arrested late in the night.
Yes.
And the wife was with a little child.
Thank you.
The wife, after that time, and the little child will be odd. And the wife is not the only relation the man has. So the person the office brought to the office to witness his interrogation could be his relation.
But remember that you say that you can't recall as you don't know whether he is. Are you now retrieving what you said before?
I said that if the person was his relation, I cannot recall.
Yes, but now you continue saying that he is related to the defendant. Why you say that you can't recall?
No, I have not told you that, sir. I'm trying to tell you that.
Yes, let's make progress. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, all of you signing the some related forms as you mentioned. Who ordered the defendant to thumbprint?
Who ordered the defendant to thumbprint? Okay.
Yes, the forms.
The forms which the defendant thumbprinted include: 1, packing of substance form.
No, I'm not asking you the types. Who ordered him to thumbprint?
That is what I'm trying to explain. The
no, listen, my question is very clear. Who ordered him to thumbprint? I'm not asking you the type of forms.
Excuse me. Okay. The exhibit officer asked him to thumbprint both packing of substance form, request for scientific aid form, and certificate of test analysis form, as well as evidence pouch.
Thank you. Yes. I believe during the arrest, the defendant mentioned somebody's name. Mr. Mark, are you hearing me?
During interrogation.
Listen yes. Now. During yes. the arrest.
Yes.
You witnessed the arrest of the defendant.
I do. I did.
Yes.
Yes. During the arrest, the defendants mentioned the name of somebody. Did you call that person or find about him? Find out about him?
It was not during the arrest.
Okay.
It was in the office.
Yes. Did you call that person?
I want to give you a background.
No, I'm not asking. My question to you is that, not for you to go back to give much story. My question to you is that, having that he mentioned somebody, did you people invited that person?
We couldn't establish any name of anybody like that.
Okay. It's okay. But I believe he told you the source of the box of exhibit.
That is what I told you. He told us that he bought the exhibit from one Tijani, and he failed to disclose the address or the location of the said Tijani. And we tried our best to carry out investigation that could lead to the arrest of such Tijani, but no trace was found, and as no name like that was revealed to us.
How many people went for the?
Believe that he was hiding the identity of his supplier.
How many people? How many of you are personnel that went for the arrest of the defendant?
I cannot remember the total number that went for arrest, but I can mention some of us. Some of the names of the officers that went for the arrest.
But you can't recall.
I can't recall the total number that went for the arrest.
You can't remember. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. My noble Lord, that's all for him. That's all for him. That's all for the defendant, my lord.
Okay. Any re-examination?
My lord, we have no re-examination, and that's all for PW2. My lord, and we ask this honorable court to discharge PW2 from the virtual as a witness from the witness box, my lord. Thank you very much, Mr. Idumak, for your time.
Application granted. Thank you, officer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Prosecuting counsel.
My lord, our next witness is Usman S. Ibrahim. My lord, I don't know whether if he's with us. Mr. Ibrahim, Usman Ibrahim. I don't think he's with us, my lord. Because he was with us, he joined us. I have cited him before this case, but I don't know. Maybe because of the.
Any Usman Ibrahim there?
No. My lord, in these circumstances, we shall be asking for a date, my lord, so we can proceed with the next case.
Give us the date.
My lord,
Register of court.
Subject to complaint, my lord.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 17th day of May, 2023. For continuation of hearing, the defendant is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him by this honorable court to the next adjourned date.
Thank you, my lord.
My lord, I can cite one of our witnesses as being with us in the case of Sayyid Abdullahi. My lord, I apply case of Sayyid Abdullahi to be called.
That's case number 6. Okay. Called in,
Thank you, sir.
Jato, please mute your phone. Mute your, if you want to talk. Sir? Mute your gadget. Mute your gadget.
Okay.
Of course.
Number FS6/2018. 2020 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Sa'idu Abdullahi.
Respectfully, my lord.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord. My name is Usman Bamala, my humble appearance for the complainant.
With respect and humility, my lord.
Yes.
With respect and humility, my lord, I am Bishop. I'm appearing for the defendant, my lord.
And the defendant raised his hand to enable. Can you see the defendant?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
My lord, the matter is selected today for continuation of hearing, and we are ready, my lord, subject to convenience of my lord and my lord friend.
Yes.
My lord, we have a single witness, Mr. Jato Ibrahim, my lord.
Yes. Let's see. You need to. You need to have this person. Let the court registrar come and affirm the witness. Where's the witness? Counsel.
My lord.
Where's the witness?
Jato Charlie, my lord. He is here with us, my lord.
Okay.
He is here with us, Jato Charlie.
Okay. Then
I request Jato Charlie to be affirmed, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Inda, we were waiting for you.
Yes. Please repeat after me. I'm going to affirm you.
Hello? Yes.
I
affirm myself.
Can you affirm? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I, Jato Charlie John, yes, and one. Do affirm that evidence I shall give in this case before this honorable court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me, Lord.
Yes, my lord. PW2 has been affirmed. He is male, adult, and a Christian.
Thank you.
Mr. Jato, please once again tell this honorable court your name.
My name is Jato Charlie John, ASN1.
Mr. Jato Charlie, what do you do for a living?
I'm working with National Drug Law Enforcement Agency.
For how
Lagos
long
State.
have you been working with this agency?
About 12 years now, my lord.
Have you been working with this agency for about 12 years? What rank did you attend so far?
I'm Assistant Superintendent of Narcotics 1.
As an assistant superintendent of narcotic 1, I believe you are professional in your work as a very senior officer.
Yes, my lord.
Have a good look at the defendant standing trial before this honorable court at the camera in the court. Mr. Usman, please can you?
I'm not seeing his face.
Yes, the camera is turning to the defendant. Have a good look at the defendant and tell this honorable court whether you know him.
Can you raise your hand so that he can identify you?
Jato, can you see him? Jato. Sure.
Are you still with us? No, I think he's muted.
Yes.
Mr. Jato Charlie John, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
That is so difficult. Why are you still not putting it there? Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Jato.
Yes, my lord.
Please have a good look at the camera of the Federal High Court. Can you identify the defendant?
Up to now, I'm not seeing his face.
He has raised his hands up.
He has raised, yes.
I didn't see his hand.
Just have a slide on your camera. Slide your camera.
Yes.
Slide your phone.
Yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Can you identify him?
Yes, I know him.
Good.
I can identify him.
Good. Tell this honorable court what do you know about the defendant in respect of this case, please.
Okay, my lord.
Please, as you know,
yes.
You are whatever you said. You allow the court to record you before you proceed. Thank you.
Okay, my lord. Noted, sir.
Mm-hmm.
November.
I cannot hear you. Yes.
Start again.
On the 25th date of November 2020.
Just
at
a
about
minute.
40 hours.
Just a minute.
Stop a little. Wait for the
With
court.
the prosecuting counsel, are you still with us? I mean, the defense
My Lord,
counsel. The defense counsel, are you still there?
Yes, my lord, I'm with you.
Okay. Okay, then
Thank
go
you,
ahead,
my
Mr.
lord.
Charlie Joe.
On the 25th of November 2020.
Yes.
At about 40 hours.
Yes.
I was among the team of the NDLA that went. I was among the team of NDLA operation that went to Kankeret village in Bede, local government, Yobe State. Led by PSO Operation Falai. During the raid operation, I witnessed when Abdullah Sani arrested Saidu Abdullah.
Your last sentence.
Which some which suspected an exact tablet. Until the operation, one of the suspects shot Sani with arrow on his back.
One of the
suspect relative shoot Sani with the arrow on his back when he arrested the Saidu Abdullahi. And immediately we arrested him and we took the officer who was shot with the arrow to General Hospital, Geshua. For him,
yes, Mr. John.
Yeah.
Are you still there? Mr. Jato Charlie John, are you still there? It's no longer.
I think Jato is facing difficulty with his dialect.
I think he's facing challenges.
I guess so, a lot. And my lot in the in the circumstances, since the witness is facing difficulty, my lot.
Yes.
I think if he's not able to come back, my lot, in a very short period of time, maybe I should be asking for adjournment, my lot. Yeah, I don't know.
Now it's 12:40.
Yeah, I'll stop please. It's okay.
Can you confirm?
I'll stop please. Let me confirm.
Is he back? Mr. Charlie John.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
Okay. Okay, can you continue?
Yes, my lord. Yes, we took the officer, Sani Abdullahi, from General Hospital to Teaching Hospital, Damaturu, together with the suspect alongside with the exhibit. Damaturu, we took the officer to the hospital.
Just a minute. You took him to Damaturu, to which hospital?
Yes, on reaching Damaturu,
yes,
took the officer. Sorry. Well, the suspect.
No, I didn't get that. You took the officer, Sani Abdullahi, to
Teaching
hospital
for the surgery.
Okay.
Yes, Damaturu for the surgery.
Yes.
Well, the suspect, we took the suspect alongside with the SB to the NDLA office, Damaturu. On reaching the office, the SB was handed over to the exhibit officer. In person of
Yes, continue.
the exhibit officer carried out the
Can you hear me? It's like the network is fluctuating.
And
yes,
you said the exhibit was handed over to the exhibit officer in the person of? It's a Charlie John.
I think humanity is facing a lot of difficulties with his network. Oh, Jato.
Sir, my lord.
Yes, you see, the exhibit was handed over to the exhibit officer in the person of?
David Bagudu.
Yes.
Who carried out the field test and the drawings proved positive for cannabis sativa. And weigh 550 grams. Well, as of 5, weigh 160 grams. After the process, Saidu Abdullah accepted the ownership of the SB recovered in his position.
Yes.
Yes. After that, he was detained for further investigation when Sani Abdullah officer was in the hospital for treatment. That is all what I know about the case, my lord.
Thank you very much, my lord. That's all for examination, Chief.
Yes. First examination.
Yes, Mr. Jatau.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. The place where the defendant was arrested is an open place. That is a market.
My lord, it's not a market.
Okay, but is it a gathering or joint?
It's a joint.
Thank you.
Yes, my lord.
And the place is constituted many people.
Well, people are there, but I did not count the number of people that are there, my lord.
But there are many. There are
well,
many.
It was night. It was night, my lord.
That is why I said
20,
people are
40
many.
hours.
Many. People are many, and also it was night.
I don't know, because all our attention to are just arrest the person that is selling cannabis there.
Yes, my question to you is that he is not alone at that place. And people are running in that market, at that joint. Is it true? People have been started running helter-skelter at the joint.
My lord, I'm not
You are
not
what?
the surveillance officer. It's the surveillance officer that not the Terry. I only witnessed when Adulai Sani arrested the suspect. I witnessed when Adulai Sani arrested the suspect.
Okay, who
one of
arrested
his
him?
relatives shot him. Sani Adulai.
Yes.
When he arrested the suspect,
yes,
they not shot him arrow so that he should release the suspect. He did not release him. He hold the suspect the arrow on his back.
My question to you.
Yes, my lord.
Did you arrested anybody irrespective of the arrow that have been shooted to the Sani Abdullahi?
No, my lord. I witnessed Sani when he
Listen to me.
arrested
When I ask
Abdullahi.
you can cross, you can just answer. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you can answer, you don't know.
Oh, it's okay, my lord.
Yes, it's very simple. Are you able to arrest anybody irrespective of the shooting of the arrow to Sani Abdullahi?
No, my.
And you are many of you are many that you went for the arrest or the operation at that point.
I didn't hear you, my lord.
Yes, my question to you, you are many. You are personnel are many when you went for the arrest.
Yes, my lord.
This means that you have the capacity to arrest anybody.
Well, yes, the person that is selling in.
My question, you have the capacity, you say yes.
But my lord, we will only focus on who is dealing. We cannot just arrest anybody.
Remember, Mr. Jato, it was night.
Yes, my lord.
It will be very difficult to identify everybody with what he has been doing in that joint because it was night.
My lord, the surveillance officer know who is.
Just a minute. Counsel, your question was, since it's in the night, it's difficult to...
Very difficult for him to identify what everybody doing at that joint.
My lord.
Just a minute, I'm still trying to write his question down.
Okay, my lord.
He said because it's in the night, it's difficult to identify what each and everybody is doing.
Yes, my lord. Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Do you know the defendant before?
No, but the surveillance officer know the defender. And when I witnessed when he was selling, then Abdullah Sani arrested him. There was a lantern that is light, and he was selling. And officer went there as to buy. The arresting officer.
You specifically, where are you standing when the defendant was arrested?
I was close to him to give him support.
Who?
Close to Sani Abdullah. When he grabbed the suspect, instantly they shot an arrow.
And you are not being able to see that person that shot him. You are not able
yes,
to
my
see
lord.
him?
Yes, my lord.
That's all for him, my lord.
Any re-examination?
My lord, we have no re-examination, and that's all for the P. My lord. My lord, we apply for the witness to be discharged from the virtual proceedings, my lord, as a witness, my lord, as it appears from the witness box, my lord.
Application granted. Thank you, officer.
Thank you, my lord.
My lord, we shall be asking for a date, my lord, to present our last witness, my lord. My lord, we shall still be requesting for a virtual adjustment. Jato, can you mute your phone, please? Or you leave us?
Yes, sir.
Jato,
thank you, sir.
Can you mute your phone? Mute your phone. Silent, put your phone on silent. Jato. Jato.
Yes. And that it was night. We don't know
Counsel, I
that.
think you need to call him.
Okay.
He's not aware that.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, sir. Maria Nagore. No, it's 2020 at the Open. No, it's not that. They shot our officer.
The prosecution, okay. Prosecuting counsel was making a submission before the interruption. Mr. Jato, can you mute your device? Is the prosecuting officer back online? A date, Mr. Ndahi. Mr. Shai?
Yes, my noble lord.
16th May, is 16th May convenient?
16 is convenient, my noble lord. Thank you, my lord.
You're welcome. Yes, we were making a submission, prosecuting counsel.
My lord, yes, that's all for the business for what we have in case of this case for today. My lord, we shall be asking for a date for under virtual system.
Your witness is still in Lagos. Your next witness?
My lord, the next witness, I have to even find him, my lord, because I have to find his whereabouts first, my lord. As please.
Okay, this honorable court haven't listened to the application of the learned prosecutor for a virtual hearing and for an adjournment grants both applications. There be no objection to same. This matter is hereby adjourned to the 16th day of May 2023 for virtual sitting.
Please.
Please.
I call the next case. Irritating. It's the same thing. You can't hold this in yourself. Let him stand up. Yes.
Respectfully, my lord, my name is Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant.
Can you see the defendant from there? The first defendant. Can he let him raise his hand? Prosecuting and defense counsel, can you see the defendant?
Yes, my noble lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Correctional center, it's okay. Correctional
Also.
center, yes. let the second defendant stand up.
Yeah, it's my lord.
Yes, prosecuting and defense counsel. Can you see the second defendant?
Yes, my lord, we can see him, my lord.
Shaibu.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Okay.
My lord,
Yes,
the matter
yes.
is today for continuation of hearing, my lord. And my lord, the witness has been with us since when we started the virtual. He was out of being logical, my lord. His phone runs down, but notwithstanding that, my lord, we will love to close our case today, having been satisfied with the available witness we presented before, my lord, before this honorable court.
No.
Counsel, the application.
My lord.
Your application, your submission again.
My lord, we said the witness we have before this honorable court.
Yes.
My lord has been with us since from the beginning of this proceeding, my lord.
Yes.
And he run out of being logical, my lord. His battery run down, my lord. My lord, in the circumstance, my lord, we shall be asking for a date, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much, my lord.
17th May, convenient?
It's convenient to me, my lord.
It's convenient to me too, my lord. It's convenient, my noble lord.
This honorable court, having listened to the submissions of the prosecuting counsel, hereby adjourns this matter to the 17th day of May, 2023. The first defendant who is on bail is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him, while the second defendant is to be remanded at the Potiskum Correctional Center until he fulfills the bail conditions. Matter adjourned to the 17th day of May, 2023. Correctional Center. Okay, okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Counsel, thank you so much for as well.
Thank you, my noble lord. We are grateful for the patient, my lord.
Yes, thank you.
We are grateful, my noble lord.
Thank you.